When you're building for efficiency, it only makes sense to build it in from the ground up. One innovative and efficient way to do that is by using ICF, or insulated concrete form, construction methods. Here to tell us more about it is Stephen Christopher with Insulated Concrete Homes. Stephen, along with Zimmerman Building, have decades of experience in construction using insulated concrete forms. Welcome, Stephen. Let's start with the basics. What is an ICF, insulated concrete form?
They're a concrete form made of expanded polystyrene and high-density plastic. They're stacked similar to Lego blocks, and then they are filled with rebar and concrete down this hollow cavity. Unlike traditional foundations where the forms are stripped and used at the next house, these actually stay in place, and then they form a continuous layer of insulation to prevent thermal bridging and creates an airtight building envelope.
What kind of projects are these useful for?
Any and all construction projects, whether it's residential, single-family, multifamily, commercial, single-story, multi-story, schools, convention centers, really any type of construction.
So how would you compare this type of construction with a traditional wood frame home in terms of cost, let's say for a single-family home?
Sure. It's common to hear that ICF is 5 to 7% more expensive, but that's not quite apples to apples, because ICF has a performance R value of R50, and with the added cost to a traditional wood-framed house, it would likely be the same or more.
So tell me about some of the safety aspects of this product.
Many of the block manufacturers have started adding fire retardant agents to the raw materials used in the production of the blocks, and as a result they have a 4-hour fire rating. And that is incredible, considering in a wood frame structure you probably only have minutes to get out. And also it's very strong reinforced concrete, and it's very natural disaster resilient, such as earthquakes, tornadoes, hurricanes. You know, it can withstand 200-mile-an-hour plus winds.
Those are great features. What can you tell us about the benefits regarding comfort?
Well, with the airtight envelope and the thermal mass that is created, the temperature inside these homes are constant and even as the outside temperature fluctuates. They're also really quiet. They have an STC rating of 54, which is like you standing on the outside of the wall yelling and me on the inside not hearing you.
How does that compare to a traditionally built home?
The average is 36 to 38, and that would be like having a conversation on the outside and us on the inside being able to partially understand what they're saying.
Indoor air quality is really important to people. How are these better than a traditionally built home?
Yeah, homeowners are becoming increasingly aware of indoor air quality and indoor air pollution. These homes are an airtight building envelope, so you're able to control the air coming in and leaving your home commonly through air exchangers. Also, mold is an issue in most wood-framed house due to the organic material. Wood is an organic material, and ICF is inorganic and does not support mold growth.
So what kind of benefits can a homeowner expect to see regarding energy efficiency?
ICFs are one of the easiest ways to build a net zero energy ready home. And you can expect to see 30 to 70% savings on your heating and cooling costs. And you're also able to downsize your furnace and AC, furthering your energy savings.
So if somebody is watching this program and they're really intrigued that they would like to use ICF construction, but they've already zeroed in on a builder, would they have to find somebody else to do their project?
Not necessarily. The building plans would have to be converted to ICF, which can easily be done. But you'll also want to find a builder who is open to ICF construction, preferably has experience in ICF construction, or at least willing to consult with a professional.
This is great information. Thank you for your insight on this innovative product. You know, an unconventional approach can produce exceptional results. For more information on energy efficient building for your powerhouse, visit PowerHouseTV.com. Did you know Thomas Edison was credited with designing and building the first concrete homes in the United States in 1908? Located in New Jersey, some of these homes still exist today.